Today's menu is simple, comforting, and easy to make. We are making lemon cheong, a traditional Korean fruit syrup, and Korean potato pancakes. These aren't the traditional recipes, instead they are quick, delicious, and easy enough for anyone to make at home. I thought a refreshing glass of sparkling lemon cheong would pair perfectly with crispy potato pancakes, so we decided to make them together. Let's get started. Normally, you'd have to wait about a week before you can enjoy lemon cheong, but with a rice cooker, it's ready in just 8 hours. We also tried using Taiwanese rock sugar instead of a regular white sugar. It felt less sweet and had a cleaner, more natural taste. I really like the result. The most traditional ingredient for making cheong is actually meshi, or Korean green plums. But as long as the ingredient is suitable, you can make cheong with almost any fruit. Of course, it contains quite a bit of sugar, but compared to many store-bought drinks, I think it's a nice alternative because you know exactly what goes into it. It also doesn't contain the artificial additives that many commercial drinks do. Oh, I almost forgot, the ratio of lemons to sugar is 1:1. Today we enjoyed our lemon cheong with sparkling water, but there are so many other ways to enjoy it. You can mix it into yogurt, use it as a topping for cakes, or simply enjoy it however you like. By the way, I hope our channel grows big enough one day to get sponsored by a rice cooker company. If you'd like to help make that dream come true, please subscribe. And if you know anyone who loves Korean food, we'd really appreciate it if you shared our channel with them. One of the best things about shredded potato pancakes is their crispy texture. We like using grated parmesan instead of salt because it adds a rich, cheesy flavor and helps reduce excess moisture. Of course, if you don't have parmesan, a pinch of salt works perfectly too. Personally, I think they're even better with a cold beer. I think I've mentioned this before, but many Koreans enjoy pancakes like this on rainy days. Some people say it's because the sound of the rain is similar to the sound of pancakes sizzling in a pan. To be honest, I'm not sure if that's really true. But it's definitely common for people to crave pancakes when it rains. These days, the weather in Korea can't seem to make up its mind. It rains, stops, and then starts raining again, all in the same day. What's the weather like where you are? For today's epilogue, I'd like to show you one of the most famous pizza restaurants in Busan, Jae-mo Pizza. I wasn't the one who visited though. The footage was taken by my sister's family, the same sister who's always cooking in our videos. I usually just order pizza for delivery, so seeing a place like this was something new for me too. Did you enjoy today's video? I hope our videos can bring you a little peace, even if it's just for a few minutes in the middle of a busy life. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.